We have property options right here in Lagos. It is you who has decided not to make a decision to buy a property. I always bring properties right in your presence every week. Yes, from Ajah to Lekki, Sapa London, Lekki Phase 1, you name it. It is you who has not just decided to buy a property. But I am here to tell you that 2026 is halfway. Yes, already. So if you're still there sitting down waiting for the year to, pass by without you achieving anything, that's up to you. However, I am still going to be bringing beautiful properties right in front of you. So today I am ushering you into this beautiful 4-bedroom detached duplex right here in a community. Yes, some of you want a community where you can see your neighbors, where you can interact with people living around you. This is fully detached. You own the house. You're not sharing wall with anybody. This is completely yours. Yes, all yours. So this property is right here in Orchid Lekki, Lagos. So Orchid is just by Chevron. Yes, opposite Chevron Drive, Lekki, Lagos. So if you are in the market looking for a property just like this is an opportunity for you to grab one here. So we can see that we have units here, although some are gone, but we still have available units here of 4-bedroom, fully detached duplex right here. So this property is coming. Just take a look at the environment. Are you even talking about flood? There is nothing like flood in this place. So coming from the amenities, we have children's playground, we have swimming pool, we have tiled road. So this mini estate is inside a major estate right here in Orchid, fully gated, fully occupied with security, clean water, flood free. Yes, I am still emphasizing on the flood because it is rainy season and that it will not be good for me to bring a property where there is flood. So no, I can never bring a property to you where you will suffer flood issues. My name is Amrachi. If you're just watching me for the first time, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And please remember to stay glued on this channel because I am always available to bring you the best options of real estate here in Lekki, Lagos. Also, watch this video to the end. If there is any suggestion you have, please put it on my comment section. I'll be there to respond to you. You know how we do it now? 360. Let's do 360 of this house. Now we're seeing the 360 of this house. So when you come here, you can see that you have your side space. I usually turn around so that you can look at the side of your house. It is fully detached. So you have your boys' quarter. So this is your boys' quarter right here. And then here is your back space. You can see that your back space it's absolutely spacious. So you can see that you have a back corner for anything you want to do, for your sit out, for your clothes, for whatever you can think of. So this is your kitchen exit right here. Yeah, so this is the 360 of this property. This is fully detached, 4-bedroom, fully detached duplex right here in Orchid. Now come with me. Let's see what we have inside. Welcome to the living room. This property is really simple. You can see that not too spacious. Yes, I must say. So this is the living room coming with TV console right here. One thing I like about this house is that the ceilings are high. The windows are wide enough. So it's coming with a powder room. So downstairs here, we have one room downstairs. You can see. And then here is our kitchen. Very simple. So this is the kitchen. We are still installing some of the fittings here. You can see. So This is the kitchen, very spacious. It's coming with this slide door. So here is our visitor's room. You can see, also spacious. Now let's go upstairs. This is not going to be a very long video because the house is not that big. Yes. So let's go upstairs and see what we have upstairs. Like I said, this property is located right here in Orchid Lekki, Lagos. So come with me. Let's see it. So this is your family lounge, not too big. So upstairs here we have three rooms here. The 2 rooms, and then we look at the master's bedroom. This is your master's bedroom. You can see it's coming with this TV console. You have this your closet here for your storage space, and by my left here you have your toilets, yeah, your restroom there, your bathroom, and then coming out here you have your balcony where you can look around your estate. You can see from here, the visibility is very clear. You can look around and see your estate. Very beautiful, right? So this property is right here in Orchid. It's in the market for 340 million naira. Yes. So the location is top-notch, flood-free, constant electricity, good road network. So that's it. So if this property interests you, you like the environment, you love what you're seeing, I'm just a call away. So we still have available units right here going for 340 million naira. And also we have the 4-bedroom semi-detached here going for 270 million naira. So if you're interested, I'm just a call away. So my name is Amrachi. Until you see me on your screen again. Bye-bye.